Hello and welcome to Astonishing Earth. In this video, we present 5 stunning ski resorts around Europe. On number 5, Cortina d'Ampezzo, Italy. The Dolomites super ski area is one of the largest skiing areas in the world. It connects 12 premier ski resorts, including Cortina. For those who enjoy winter activities, Cortina d'Ampezzo is a dream come true. It is the only place in the Alps that offers such a wide variety of slopes at every level of difficulty, catering to all age groups and offering something for everyone. With only one ski pass, you may have access to 450 lifts and 1,220 kilometers of slopes and trails. Cortina town itself is located at an altitude of 1,224 meters. Cortina is a prime site for winter sport events. It has hosted the 1956 Winter Olympics and the 2021 World Ski Championships, and will host the Winter Olympics once more in 2026 together with Milano. Cortina has also been featured in several films, including Cliffhanger and For Your Eyes Only. Cortina might not be the place to go if your vacation plans include heading straight to après-ski in the evening and partying into the wee hours of the morning. Instead, enjoying great wines at Enoteca Wine Bar and visiting the Hacker House, which serves some of Bavaria's best beers, is unquestionably recommended. Cortina is not only a winter destination, but it offers a huge variety of things to do during the summer as well. A golf course, hundreds of kilometers of hiking paths, mountain biking, road biking, and rock climbing routes are all available. On number 4, Zermatt, Switzerland. Many people consider the Swiss resort of Zermatt to be amongst the best in the world. With the magnificent Matterhorn towering over the town, Zermatt is undoubtedly one of the most recognizable ski resorts and offers many of the features that skiers and snowboarders seek in a classic European ski vacation. The resort is situated on the slopes of the heavily glaciated Monte Rosa and at the base of the Matterhorn, which stands at 4,478 meters. Zermatt has around 360 kilometers of pistes divided into 74 kilometers of blue runs, 224 kilometers of red runs, 20 kilometers of black runs, and 36 kilometers of yellow freeride trails. In total, there are 54 lifts and 148 slopes between Zermatt Matterhorn and Breuil-Cervinia ski regions. Zermatt offers something for everyone. It's a great destination for intermediate skiers and snowboarders, but also offers second-to-none off-piste freeride terrain and high alpine backcountry ski touring. Zermatt is well known for its alpine parties. There aren't many places where après-ski festivals are as good as they are in Zermatt. Enjoying hot and cold drinks at the legendary Champagne Bar, located at the valley descent from Sanega towards Zermatt, or visit Henustal and lit live bands take care of the perfect après-ski mood. The historic mountain village provides a variety of lodging options. High above the town of Zermatt, there are many beautiful ski-in, ski-out accommodations available for a variety of budgets. Bahnhofstrasse, Zermatt's iconic main street, is home to a number of luxury hotels as well as upscale stores, eateries, and pubs. Rosto, fondue, chocolate, and many other amazing culinary delights are readily available. The only downside we can think of is that because Zermatt is so popular with many tourists, this isn't really a low-budget destination. On number 3, St. Anton, Austria. St. Anton is situated near the famous ski resort of Innsbruck on the northwestern edge of the Tyrol in Austria's Arlberg region. The town, also known as St. Anton am Arlberg, has its own train station, making it quite simple for visitors from throughout Europe to get there. The biggest interconnection ski region in Austria offers guaranteed snow and great piste conditions. The towns of St. Anton am Arlberg, St. Christoph, Steuben, Lech, Zürs, Warth, and Skraken have more than 200 kilometers of off-piste routes and 300 kilometers of marked runs. The way up is provided by 87 modern cable cars and lifts. St. Anton offers something for everyone, although expert skiers will particularly find it most rewarding. The off-piste areas are vast. The narrow chutes at the Voluga top and other locations will challenge even the most experienced riders. St. Anton's novice and beginner runs are simple and enjoyable close to the village before becoming somewhat difficult higher up. St. Anton's Apres ski scene is well known as one of the best in Europe. Since 1989, Muserwert has been a staple of the resort's after-ski scene. According to legend, it has the highest beer sales in all of Austria, selling an incredible 5,000 liters of beer per day during the busiest months. If you prefer something more laid back, we recommend relaxing with a good glass of wine at Hospice Alm. There's a wide variety of lodging available in St. Anton am Arlberg and the nearby towns. There are several top-notch hotels, chalets, and pensions available for all preferences and price ranges, many of which are conveniently ski-in. On number 2, Chamonix, France. For alpine thrill seekers looking to push themselves to the limit, Chamonix is the place to go. The resort is renowned across the world for its off-piste powder, difficult, steep lines, and magnificent mountain views. Its renowned 20-kilometer Valley Blanc is the longest off-piste route in Europe. Chamonix's ski area is dispersed over 5 mountains: Grand Montet, La Aiguille du Midi, La Brevante and La Vrugère, and La Tour. Even though each ski resort is completely unique, they all complement one another and offer a wide variety of skiing opportunities. The off-piste snow on the glaciers is accessible by the cable cars at Aiguille du Midi and Grand Montet. Along the trip, free riders will come across breathtaking landscapes, including deep crevasses, ice cascades, cliff tops, and caverns. Chamonix is regarded to be one giant playground with an abundance of undeveloped freestyle terrain, though well-maintained halfpipe and 2 snowparks are also present. All this might sound a bit scary for inexperienced skiers, but beginners should not worry. There are many lengthy green, blue, and red lines with terrain that is suitable for both beginners and intermediate skiers. A great beginner and family ski area is located below Fallujah Trap Chairlift. Finding a place to eat and drink should not be a problem. Apres ski bars line the streets and serve great crafted beers and snacks. Dining options may vary from fancy Michelin star-rated restaurants to more budget-friendly burger joints. On number 1, Kitzbühel, Austria. The Kitzbühel ski resort is primarily located in the Austrian region of Tyrol, halfway between the towns of Innsbruck and Salzburg. Kitzbühel is a true legend for a reason. It's one of the most famous ski areas in the world, and some people even say that skiing was invented there. Kitzbühel has been a venue for ski races since 1985. The Streif has been for decades the arena for the Alps' most dangerous and notoriously blood-curdling downhill racecourse. Kitz Ski provides up to 200 days of skiing pleasure each year. The ski area comprises 233 kilometers of downhill skiing in all difficulty levels. The ski area comprises 233 kilometers of downhill skiing in all difficulty levels, 57 ultra-modern lifts, and 60 inns and huts. The winter sports area is situated between elevations of 800 and 2,000 meters. 3 toboggan runs, daily freshly groomed cross-country ski paths, and various winter hiking trails on the mountains are just some of the examples that wait for visitors in Kitzbühel. There is a particularly great service provided for newcomers and those getting back into the swing of things. Within Kitzbühel ski area, all of the practice lifts in the valley are free to use. One of the best destinations in the Alps to enjoy authentic Apres skiing. Kitzbühel has something for every taste. From bustling bars with a younger crowd to quiet tiny taverns and excellent cafes. After leaving the slopes, visit the well-known Streifalm pub and the sport cafe halls before returning to the hotel. The resort town provides superb shopping experiences in its nearly 750-year-old city center, which offers the greatest products made in Austria. Trusty traditional Tyrolean food is easy to find, and the mountains and valleys are home to over 13 award-winning restaurants. Thank you for watching. If you want more informative videos like this, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.